My dear students, in continuation to basic phase of physiology of reproduction, we have at least discussed gametogenesis, that is spermatogenesis and oogenesis, insemination, that is ejaculation, fertilization, cleavage, and the fifth step is implantation. Implantation is defined as the process of attachment of blastocyst on the endometrium of uterus. When the blastocyst formed by the fusion of male and female gametes after the zygote formation with the help of cleavage, that is converted into blastocyst, called in mammals, especially human beings, and we call it as blastula in other animals. This gets attached to the wall of the endometrium of the uterus. This stage is called as implantation. After the implantation, we have one more stage. These stages take place in females, that is placentation. It involves the formation of an intimate mechanical and physiological connection. That connection is called as placenta between the fetal and the maternal tissues for the nutrition, respiration, excretion of the fetus. This is a sort of physical as well as physiological contact between the child, would-be child, and the womb of the mother for different physiological processes: nutrition, respiration, excretion of the child, what we call as fetus. There is one more stage that is gastrulation. Gastrulation involves the process by which blastocyst is changed into gastrula, gastrula larva, with three primary germ layers. Outer layer is called the ectoderm, and middle layer is called the mesoderm, and the inner layer is called as the endoderm. This is formed by the formation of the blastula, then the gastrula, and these cells get oriented in three different layers: ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. After the blastocyst undergoes cleavage or the repeated mitotic divisions, one more stage is there, that is called as organogenesis. Organogenesis. This organogenesis includes the formation of specific organ systems from three primary germ layers of gastrula during the gestation period of pregnancy and embryonic development. It involves morphogenesis and differentiation. Morphogenesis is the formation of morphology, that is, the different organs are started to be formed, and there is differentiation, that different cells, tissues, and organs get differentiated, or what we call as they get specialized. There is the last stage. That last stage is called as the parturition or the birth. Parturition or the birth. It involves expelling of the fully formed baby from the mother's uterus after the gestation period of 280 days, or nearly the 9 months. In human females, this is the last stage of the formation of and the expulsion from the uterus. This is all about the basic phases of physiology of reproduction in human beings. This is the summary of all those events that take place from the gametogenesis up to parturition. The steps involved are, I will repeat all of them one by one: gametogenesis, that is spermatogenesis and oogenesis; insemination or ejaculation; fertilization; cleavage; implantation; placentation; gastrulation; organogenesis; and lastly the birth or parturition. This is all about the reproduction. Thank you.